Welcome to my channel Eat. I'm Gayatri. In this video, I'll show you how to create a party theme in Scratch. So let's look at it. Now I'll show you how to create this in Scratch. So take a new tab, search for Scratch programming, then go to scratch.mit.edu. So you can see here, click on create. So just delete this cat. Now go to backdrops. We choose a party background for our theme. Scroll down. You can see party here. Select that. So now again choose a sprite. Go to food. Select a cake. Then we need some drums and musical instruments, right? For that, choose a sprite. Go to music. Select some drums and keyboard and piano. A keyboard, then what you want. Go to music here and then select maybe this drums, tabla. Okay, I have all the musical instruments here. I place them all on all the four corners. So now we'll program for cake. So when flag is clicked, right? So go to events. When flag is clicked, go to looks, select switch backdrop to party, and then we'll select size for our cake. Set size to, initially it will be 50%, so it will be a small one. And then go to controls, then select the repeat here. So then see, we want our cake size to increase, right? So go to looks, then select change size by 10. Okay, so now when I run, you can see a cake will become big. Then we want a music, right? For that, go to sounds, select play sound here, and we'll paste it here. Okay, so you get a song here. Right now we want to play all the drums and instruments, right? For that, go to drums. So go to events. When flag is clicked, then go to controls, select forever block. Then you can see in looks, next costume. So now you can see the drums is, see the drum is animated, right? So you can see drum is playing. So similarly, we'll program for tabla, saxophone and piano. Okay, for that, select saxophone. Then go to events when flag is clicked. And then go to controls, select forever block. Then go to looks, select next costume. See why it appears like that is if you check here in costumes, right? So these are the two costumes for saxophone. This is the first one, this is the second one, right? Second one has this, right? So when it switches between the costumes, we'll get that animation. Then similarly, we'll go to keyboard, go to events. When flag is clicked, go to controls, select forever block. Then go to looks, select next costume. So similarly for tabla, okay. Go to events, select when flag is clicked, go to controls, select forever block. Then go to looks, select next costume. So we have 4 costume, all we have programmed for all drums now, and also we have programmed for cake, right? Now we want the dancing dolls here, right? So for that, go to choose a sprite and then select this ballerina, and one more, again go to choose a sprite. So select another character here. So I select this Cassie. Then see, Cassie is a little big, so for that we'll go to events. When flag is clicked, go to looks, set size to, so we'll make it 80%. Okay, and then go to controls, then select forever block, then select wait for 0.1 second maybe. Okay, then again go to looks, select next costume, right? So I'll place this here, I'll place her here. So similarly, we'll program for ballerina. Go to events. When flag is clicked, go to controls, select forever, then go to looks, select next costume. So now you can see the all dancing. See, if you want to reduce the speed of dance, we'll have to add wait block here. So go to control blocks, select wait and make it 0.1. Right? So this is 100 subscribers special for my channel. Thanks for watching.